Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the file path in HTML. Okay, to understand the file path, we're gonna use a simple example of the images and how we use the image from the different folder or from the same folders. There are the two kind of URLs, okay? One is the absolute and the second one is the relative. In absolute URL, you write the full URL of that file. For example, if I just want to use the image from any website, I have to copy whole the URL of that image. The relative URL. Here I'm about to give you the three different cases of the relative URL. First of all, we have the scenario when the picture is located in the same folder as the current page. So this is the same folder, and the file that I'm about to use in this video is the images file that I have created in the images tutorial. You can see that video in the playlist as well. Okay, we have the image and we have the file that we are using right now in the same folder. So when the file HTML file you are using and the file you want to access is in the same folder, so to access that file or access that image, all you need to do is to just write the name of that image and its format, and it will work fine. So you can see that. Alright, so this is how it works in the first case. Okay, in the second case we have the picture which is located in the images folder of the current folder, and we know that our current folder is HTML folder, and in HTML folder we have another folder which is the pics folder. In pics folder we have the image and we want to access that image. So how we gonna do that? Let me open the folder first. We have the folder, we have the current folder which is HTML folder, and the file that we are using is the image file which is in the HTML folder. But in this scenario I want to use the image of the pics folder. Here we share the file and the folder. Okay, so how we gonna access this thing? We're gonna go to the editor, open up file, HTML file. You're gonna write the name of the folder /, then you're gonna write the name of picture, then its format. Save this, run it again, and this is how you can access the file in our second scenario. And we also have the third scenario, which is in which a picture is located in the folder one level up from the current folder. Okay, as you know, our current folder is the HTML folder, and I have created the HTML folder within the desktop folder. So level up folder of my HTML folder or the current folder is the desktop folder. So if there is a kind of image in the desktop folder which I want to use, so let's just go to the editor and see how it works. You can see that this is HTML folder, our current folder, and we have the file that we are using in the HTML folder, but we want to use the image that is in the folder that is a level above than the HTML folder or the current folder. You can see that we have the HTML folder inside the desktop folder. So desktop is a kind of folder here. Alright, so the level up folder of the HTML folder is the desktop folder. So if I want to use any image in the desktop folder, so how I am gonna do that? It is a kind of simple thing. All you need to do, first you have to select the image that you want to show. Okay, I have the image of myself and this is the image of me, and I want to use this image which is in the desktop folder. So I will just simply go to the editor, write the name of the image file /, then I'm just gonna write the two dots here, save it again and run it again, and bingo, this is my image. Okay, so this is how you can use the image file or any other kind of file from the level up folder of the current folder. Okay, so this is how we use the relative URLs. Alright, so if I just want to use the absolute URL, so let me just give you a simple example of it. I just wanna go to my data structure folder, and I have a lot of different folders here, and I want to use this image, Adobe DW. Okay, so let me just copy the full path of that image. Alright, go to the editor, paste it here. Now write the name of the file, Adobe DW.png. I hope I have written the name correctly. So save it again and run it again. Now you have to image from the different folders or different side of location of your PC or your laptop. You have to use the absolute URL or the full URL, and we also use the absolute URL when we want to use any image from the internet. Okay, so this is how the file paths in HTML work, and if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.